Welcome to Ride Guide. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to set up a rear-facing child seat inside of your 2022 Kia Seltos. Now, first we're going to want to look for the symbols in the back seat where we will be able to appropriately lock in that child seat. When we're also looking at this child seat, we have the appropriate clip here for it. So we just simply take that, bring it close to it, push it. You should hear that it snaps into place. And then we want to repeat that same step over here. Should hear that snap just like that. And once you hear those two snaps, you should know that you're in perfect position to be able to lock that child down safely, put that seat in, and you should be ready to rock and roll. You will also be able to do the same thing in that center space as long as you adjust those snaps in correctly. And that's how you install the child seat inside of your 22 Seltos.